Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a stylish and amazing style crochet ladies shirts designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the design. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. You see in this video many different ideas. Get ready to create a comfortable and fashionable garments for you. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet ladies shirts designs perfect for any occasions. This shirt is sure to impress. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the patterns and texture. To shape the sleeves, we will use techniques. Experiment with different yarn color and textures. Try using different stitches, pattern or styles. Shirt styles add embellishment like applique work, buttons, beads, pearls, stones, flowers, different laces, different ideas you use and decor your shirts easily. And that's it, your crochet ladies shirt is complete and ready to wear. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Please share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. Okay viewers, thanks for watching this video and thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, share, and if you want to buy all the collections, so please you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website Trendy.